girl climbing on me. We're just about to leave to the town, to our other place. I need to introduce everyone here. I just walked in here, and yeah, we're gonna just start leaving soon because, yeah. Oh, look at them. Yeah, they two are just sisters, little sisters. Little sister and big sister, no big deal. Oh yeah. Oh, look, most of the sheep are just laying down there, looking at me, horrifying faces. Look at them. Oh yeah, just a little vlog about how I live. I don't know where my dad went, but I'm just gonna show you all around now. These are some trees. Are really interesting, isn't it? Those kittens are just following me. Look at her following me. Also, I don't know if you can see it. I have a front camera, but I can't really show it. Why? Look at him, look at him. Look at him too. She's so afraid of him. She's like terrified when Tommy comes to just go and they're just playing sometimes tag. See, I just need to go and check on my dog before we go. Oh, look at these pretty flowers. They're just growing. Can't speak English. Today is yeah, so we're about to leave. I don't know when Dad's gonna say to me that we're gonna need to go, but I'm gonna assume, I don't know when I'm gonna upload one more video of Roblox. Right now I'm just gonna do a little vlog. Wait, see me. Look at it. I see Cat. Cat is getting hurt. Cat is getting hurt. Cat is getting hurt. I just said that 3 times because Tommy is dressed just a crazy cat. Oh yeah. Cat. Are you guys all looking? I don't think they. I don't know. Did you see them or not? My foot was in the way. Gonna need to watch that. But you wanna know something? Yeah. So I don't know what to show you guys more. The only pet I haven't shown you, that's my other dog and all the chickens. I can show you right now the chickens, but I don't know where my biggest dog went. Yeah, that dog, she is my oldest friend. Yeah. See that cat? Well, she and my dog, they were the first pets I ever got. Golly darn, there's just too much noises here. Can't wait to move to go from all of these noises. Yeah, I can't really go inside here because I just got these shoes and they are not for farming. I could not resist. Yeah, just gonna go and look downtown at the box. I'm gonna be back with you when I'm gonna be on the road. So yeah, see you after a second. So yeah, we're here walking on the road to go to all my other sheeps. Well, we have the boys and the girls separated because we don't want any babies yet. We have a lot of them already, but we don't need no more. So yeah. Golly darn. It's taking a little while. Okay, guys. I'm gonna vlog a little bit more when I couldn't show you the box because we had to go already. That's my dad screaming. He wants me to go. So I'll see you. My dad doesn't want to get filmed. So guys, I'm gonna see you just in a while. So yeah, guys, we're in the car right now. We're just gonna drive a little until we get to the town, and yeah, my dad's going over there to get my glasses. There's much people with cars, nice cars. Just can't. Not saying that I'm a person that loves cars. Just saying that there's some nice cars. What's wrong with my eyes? It's just that. See those stuff? It's like a grandma. I look like a grandma today. And yeah, didn't really sleep good last night. Oh yeah, and I'm sick a little bit, so don't know what to do else. I need to talk like this. What's my natural voice? I don't know. Waiting here. I don't know what to do. Yes. Well, we're just sitting and waiting. Guys, I'm gonna just go. I don't know what's taking that so long, so I'm just gonna go and see what's taking.